So I'm going to typing next one 50 comma 0 enter, next one 50 comma 10 enter, next one x distance was 10, y distance was 10 enter. Okay, that means from here 10 10. Okay, then this distance x same 10, y distance was 40, now 40, this 50. Okay, then again this distance was 10, no, so that means x 10 means nothing but x 0, y distance 50 enter, then again 0 to 0 origin 0 comma 0 enter and escape. This one for absolute coordinate system. Then coming to polar coordinate system, L enter, there is no to specify any properties, just use the format like L enter, start a point, because of starting point at any position of this display, it has no origins. Okay, it has no to specify the origin for polar coordinate system. I am specifying the first point here and I am using second point. The polar format was at the rate of distance less than angle. That means we are specifying the distance and what is the angle. That maybe means if we are moving upward, that is y, means nothing but positive 90 degrees. If we are moving downward, y, that means negative 270 degrees. And if you are moving forward, x moving forward means x positive means 180 degrees, so or 0 degrees. If moving backward, x moving backward minus means nothing but 180 degrees. So just to keep it in mind and specifying the values as at the rate of distance. What is distance? 50 less than 0 for x 0 forward direction, at the rate of distance was 10 less than moving upward means nothing but 90 degrees center, at the rate of distance 40 less than moving backward means 180 enter, at the rate of distance was 40 less than moving upward means 90 enter, then at the rate of next one's 10 less than moving backward means 180 degrees, at the rate of 50 less than 270 means y moving downward enter. This up to for polar. And then coming to incremental coordinate system, L enter, here it was it has also no origin, so we have to specifying the point at any point on display. I'm starting here specifying this format has at the rate of x comma y, means x and y distance specifying, but we are adding at the rate means limit starts at we are specified point, there is no to specify the origin. Starting here second point at the rate of x, so here x 50, then y automatically 0 because of only specifying x or y. If moving x, y 0, if moving y, x 0, that's it. Second one at the rate of x 0 comma y 10, next one at the rate of distance moving backward means minus 40 x y 0 enter, next one at the rate of distance was 40, not 40 x 0, we having only y, next one at the rate of distance x moving backward means minus 10, then also y 0 enter, then at the rate of distance y moving downward means x 0, y moving minus 50 enter. That's all for basic class. Thank you and please do subscribe.